Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel Netflix. If you are looking for a way to cancel your Netflix subscription, then here is how you do it. First of all, open up your web browser and sign in to netflix.com in it. Type in netflix.com and you will end up in the official website of Netflix. Log into your account like you normally do, and once you are logged in, from the main homepage, go ahead and navigate to your profile avatar at the top right corner and click on Account. This will open up the account settings page, from where you need to click on the Manage Membership option. Under the Membership option, scroll down and click on Cancel Membership. Netflix will ask you to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the cancellation process. Remember that the cancellation process may vary slightly depending on your region and device. Netflix will try to retain your subscription by offering you a discounted plan or other incentives. If you're not interested, you can politely decline as well. Your cancellation will take effect at the end of your current billing cycle. You can continue using Netflix until then. That is how you easily cancel your Netflix subscription. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.